Hello, amazing souls. Welcome back to my channel, Cosmic Contracts. So, has it ever happened with you that you are sleeping and in the sleep you hear the doorbell? And so, what does it actually mean? Before I tell you certain points, and some one of it might resonate with you, or multiple things might resonate with you. Remember, it's very important to know that even the feeling, the sensation that you felt when that doorbell rang is very important. So, if you remember, very good. If you do not, don't worry. What I'm going to say, the resonation, you will feel like it's related to your life or the meaning that you are searching for. So the feeling is very important. Like, were you scared? Were you surprised? Were you taken aback? Was it normal for you? Like in my house, from morning 7, the bell starts to ring. People start to come in, go out. So for me, it is very normal. But when I was hearing this bell, so I'm used to, like, I'm sleeping and I keep hearing the bell. But what happened was that I started hearing the bell again and again, and then I woke up like thinking, why is nobody waking up to open the door? And then I realized it's 3:30, 3:35 a.m. in the morning, 3:30, 3:35 a.m. in the morning. And for me, it that meant it was a very different message. So timing also matters, right? Now, I'll say these are the following things that could be associated with what it means that the door was ringing. One is that something important is about to happen, and that's when I associate it with the feeling of surprise, that, oh, because something is about to happen, you are not sure, you had no idea, but it came in like some money or abundance in the area of money, or that promotion that you have been waiting for, or the love that you have been waiting for. It's not necessarily the lover love I'm talking about, but it could also mean that there was some problems within the family relationship, of friends or colleagues, whatever, but you wanted peace in that situation, and that came back as love, as in the energy of love. Second is opportunity coming, that is going to bring you satisfaction. We all are trying to make a life that is more peaceful, that brings us more satisfaction to our living, and you have been waiting for that opportunity, so it is coming. The third is there is a critical decision, like when, if the ringing of the bell made you feel that something is like the urgency was there, then that means there is a critical decision that you need to make, like choosing a partner, or do you want to take that job, or you still want to continue with your old one, or you want to move ahead and not be not stay in that toxic life that you have been surrounded in. So taking that critical decision. Point number 4, there is a need to release, let go, release, and transform your old habits. Fifth point, that, and this point I truly feel the time is important, because if it's before 3 a.m., I associate it with the time of spirit. Not necessarily it's demonic or evil spirit, as in just simply that there is a spirit that wishes to communicate with you. Either the spirit is in pain, or it just wants to relay a message to you for your own benefit. The third is, so the fifth point is, either the spirit realm or the angelic realm is trying to come, because they are ringing the bell, so they're trying to like enter your house, enter your life, and they are seeking permission from you. Sixth, it could be, it is a warning. So that this is when you felt frightened, like you weren't expecting, and it rang and you got frightened. In that scenario, if you felt that, then it's a warning coming. Maybe you are doing something, you need to review your life and see what needs to change. Seventh is that there is new upgrade in your energy. This is specifically, I think, if you are in these, for the people who are working on energy, doing the yogic, taking the yogic path, the spiritual path, your energy, so you are basically working on your yogic spiritual path to increase your energy consciousness, and this is the message for you that new upgraded energy is entering your life. And then eighth is that it is depending on, so eighth is actually it depends on all the above 7 points that I just said, that depending on what resonated with you out of those seven, it is going to bring happiness, abundance, or more opportunities, or it is just trying to warn you that you need to be careful. Now, certain other examples, like supposing if you find yourself in the dream that you're ringing at your own house, right? Your own house, like in front of your house, and you're pressing the doorbell of your house. It means that there is self realization that is coming to you. You're going to realize something and change your ways. Second is that you are there, but you're not able to find the bell. Like you want to ring the bell to enter some place, but you're not able to find the bell. So that means you're being ignorant to what's around. That means the thing is right around you in your environment, but you're not able to find it. Third is, let's say you had a dream where the bell was broken. This means that your connection right now is severed, as in you are still stuck in the lower dense energies and you are missing out on where you were supposed to be, and therefore you need help. And this could be specifically to you as well as somebody you know, or a loved one, or it could be a stranger. So it's for you or somebody else who's feeling that disconnection to life and may need help. So it's applicable to anybody else. And now finally I come to spirit message of the day. So for the spirit message, please put everything away. First of all, just take this time, 2 minutes for yourself today, right? It's very very important that you forget everything just for a few minutes and let this message sink in to your energy. All right, everybody ready? The spirit says, as the I am presence is acknowledged, you blaze with the shine of divinity. Anything that you thought you deserved but did not end up getting it, like that post, that promotion, that job, that partner, that salary, or that invitation to where all your friends or colleagues were invited but not you, that is the desired outcome of your human existence. It may for now bring feelings of anger, dissatisfaction, jealousy, envy, making you feel that you are less deserving, or you are at a space where you are supposed to deserve more but you're settling for less. The spirit says, let this sink in. Let now that take best of you, the human desires have disappointed you in you. So I think that disappointment we have in our own selves, that's what the spirit is saying. But your higher self has always had plans to give you what's best for your path. So with this trust, let go of those murky feelings of human ego, that jealousy, that envy, that dissatisfaction, the critical you that's operating within you, and open your heart space. Imagine your heart expanding, that green ray expanding, and stretching to the room in which you are, and stretching even further, covering the entire planet or universe. Stretch as much as your imagination allows you to receive the blessings, more opportunities, and abundance. Believe that something amazing is about to happen soon. Believe in your I am presence. As I say these words, let them go deep, deep, deep down into your heart space and let them get absorbed. I am blessed. I am protected. I am taken care of. I am open to receiving abundance, good health, love from divine. I am happy. I am joy. Therefore, I refuse to stay in that envy, jealousy, muddy water, for my divine, in whom I have full trust, wants me to take a dip in pure, blessed, crystalline waters of light. For I am the child, the golden child of God. And as I clear my heart space with this awareness, the flame of I am presence burns brightly, attracting the divine blessings, flow of abundance, love, and peace. And with grace and gratefulness, my heart receives it now. So be it. We thank our spirit team, Archangel Michael, and our higher self for this beautiful message. Take care.